Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can purchase Bitcoin on Trust Wallet app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Trust Wallet app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Trust Wallet apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a buy option at the middle of this screen, which is at the right side of this receive option. So you need to tap on that buy, and now you can see there is a tons of cryptos over here. So you need to select the BTC because we're gonna purchase BTC for now. So let's tap on the BTC, and now you can see there is a $150 by default, and you can see there is a pay with Apple Pay. So once you tap on it, you can change your payment method from here. You simply need to tap on the Apple Pay, and now you can see there is a three options. First one is Apple Pay, another one is credit card, and last one is bank transfer. So you can choose any of them from your preference. So now let's close this one and let's get back. And now once you complete all the things, then you simply need to tap on the buy with Apple Pay, and you need to complete more formalities. And once you verify yourself, yeah, you will be able to purchase your Bitcoin on Trust Wallet app successfully. So basically this is how you can purchase your Bitcoin on Trust Wallet app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.